The invitation for this webinar, we also promised that we will highlight one additional product called Nextedy SCHEDULER. It's a condensed resource scheduling application, which is really important to simplify the let's see, the oversight compared to traditional Gantt charts. And a typical use case for that is, for example, a test scheduling, especially when you really need to have more condensed interface but still be able to understand the resource availability. If you go here into Polarion back, we have prepared here a page called test scheduling, which shows our third product that we are demonstrating today, again running 100% on top of the Polarion interface, connected to the Polarion data. In this case, we have connected to the test cases, software test cases, and unit test cases, which people may be executing manually, not unit test cases, traditional software test cases here, manually over a timeline. So again, it's a highly interactive view, so I can just take a test case, assign it to the individual, and say that this one, the people will be, or Alex will be working on multiple days because it's very complex. He will be just waiting many hours for the product to cool down. So even if it takes 1 day, this 1 day will be spread over actually 2 weeks. I immediately see that Alex is maybe overloaded here on the 13th of November. I can again also present the dependencies if there are any, and let's say have the view which actually summarize how are the resources again over allocated or under allocated. What should I do? Possibly I should take a specific test and reassign it to someone else and make sure that now Alex can spend the time fully working on this specific work item. So the Nextedy Scheduler and Nextedy Gantt are traditional time-based scheduling tools, with the primary difference that a Gantt has a great way of presenting the work breakdown structures, but as a result, there is just one item per line, which results into relatively sparse metrics. Contrary, the Nextedy Scheduler is a condensed view where I can see the same data, but I don't see the work breakdown structure because everything is condensed to a single, let's say, swim lane. So what we have presented today are the capabilities how to perform a project management in Polarion based on traditional or iterative methodologies. And now how we work with you, potential clients of us. We have introduced you today, let's see, the key concepts. We would like to hear your requirements. Based on your requirements, we are able very shortly to provide a POC environment on our test server, which we can iterate over. You provide us the feedback. Once you are fine with this POC environment on our server, we can help you to actually migrate it to your Polarion environment. And only then, let's say, you can make a purchasing decision and go forward. But all what I want to make sure that you understand, no matter how you call your work breakdown structures, is it epics and stories, is it task package and feature, we don't really care. We also allow you to have more than just 2 levels. If you have 4-level work breakdown structure, it's just easy to be configured. We'll hear your requirements, we build it free of charge, and you can make a cautious decision.